Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best dog grooming vacuum is probably one of the most essential tools for any pet owner looking to maintain a clean and tidy home while keeping their furry friend looking and feeling their best, especially when it comes to managing shedding and ensuring a comfortable grooming experience that minimizes stress for both the pet and the owner. Number 5. Neakasa P1 Pro Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. Meet the Neakasa P1 Pro, your ultimate solution for pet grooming at home. This all-in-one kit is designed to make grooming easy and efficient. It offers a versatile 6-in-1 functionality, combining clippers and a vacuum for a complete grooming experience. Say goodbye to scattered pet hair. Experience the impressive 9,000 pascals suction power that effectively captures loose hair and dander. It keeps your home clean while you groom. Designed with low-noise technology, it ensures a stress-free grooming session for your pet. The large 1L dust cup means less frequent emptying. This tool is ideal for managing shedding and trimming your pet's coat right at home. Achieve professional results with ease and convenience. The Neakasa P1 Pro simplifies your pet's grooming routine. Enjoy a cleaner home and a happier, well-groomed pet. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive 6-in-1 grooming solution, making it incredibly versatile. With a powerful 9,000 pascals suction, it efficiently collects pet hair. If you're looking for an all-in-one tool to handle shedding, trimming, and cleaning up after your pet, this is a great choice. Its low-noise operation ensures a calmer grooming experience for your furry friend. What people say. The vacuum has a powerful suction that effectively removes loose fur and dander from my dog's coat. The grooming attachments are well-designed and easy to switch out, making the grooming process efficient. It's surprisingly quiet, which helps keep my dog calm during grooming sessions. Number 4. ONEISALL Pet Grooming Vacuum Blue. Experience grooming and vacuuming simultaneously with our innovative pet grooming vacuum. It collects 99% of loose pet hair directly into the vacuum container, ensuring a mess-free grooming session and a tidy home. Our pet clippers, paw trimmer, and nail grinder can be used independently or with the vacuum. Enjoy the freedom to groom your pet anywhere, indoors or outdoors, thanks to the cordless design. Designed with a quiet motor operating at only 59 dB, this pet grooming vacuum offers 3 adjustable suction levels. This ensures a relaxing and stress-free grooming experience for your beloved pet. The detachable 1.5L dustbin has a larger capacity, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Its easy empty lid allows for quick and mess-free disposal, and the device's space-saving design with provided storage solutions makes it convenient to put away. This comprehensive kit includes a grooming brush, de-shedding tool, electric clipper, paw trimmer, and nail grinder for a complete grooming experience. Additional tools like the nozzle head and cleaning brush help maintain a tidy house by collecting stray pet hair. With an extended hose and power cable, you have ample reach to groom your pet comfortably in any space. All accessories are neatly organized in a dedicated storage bag, keeping everything tidy and accessible. What we like. This grooming vacuum excels at collecting nearly all loose pet hair directly into its large 1.5L dust cup, keeping your home remarkably clean. The freedom to use its grooming tools cordless is a significant advantage for grooming pets anywhere. If you prioritize a mess-free grooming session and appreciate the flexibility of cordless attachments, this is the one for you. What people say. It is very quiet and the suction is strong. The grooming tool is easy to clean and the vacuum is lightweight. Number 3. ONEISALL Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit LM5. Introducing the ONEISALL Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit, designed to make grooming your pet a breeze. Experience powerful 15,000 pascals suction that effectively tackles shedding. This kit includes essential grooming tools to keep your pet's coat healthy and clean. It's perfect for managing thick and undercoats with ease. We understand that pets can be sensitive to noise. That's why this device operates at a low noise level, ensuring a comfortable grooming experience for your furry friend. The generous 1.5L dust cup collects all the shed hair, minimizing mess around your home. Simply empty it when full and continue grooming. Beyond grooming, it doubles as an efficient home cleaning tool for pet hair. Keep your living space tidy and free from unwanted fur with this versatile device. Specifically engineered for dogs, it handles various coat types, including thick and undercoats. Enjoy a cleaner pet and a cleaner home. What we like. Boasting an impressive 15,000 pascals suction power, this vacuum is designed to tackle even thick pet undercoats with ease. It offers 3 adjustable suction levels for a customized grooming experience. If your pet has a dense coat and you need a powerful tool to manage shedding effectively, this model is highly recommended. What people say. This vacuum is amazing for grooming my dog. It effectively removes loose hair and dander, keeping my house cleaner. The different attachments are great for various grooming needs. It handles shedding well and my dog doesn't seem bothered by the noise. I love how quiet this vacuum is compared to others. It makes grooming sessions much more pleasant for both me and my pet. Number 2. ONEISALL 8-in-1 Dog Grooming Kit. Introducing the ultimate grooming tool for your furry friends. This all-in-one kit simplifies the entire process, allowing you to groom your pet from start to finish with ease. Effortlessly handle shedding, washing, drying, and trimming all in one place. It's designed to make at-home grooming convenient and efficient, eliminating the need for multiple tools. Achieve perfectly dry and fluffy fur with customizable temperature and speed settings. Multiple nozzle attachments ensure quick and effective drying tailored to your pet's needs. Say goodbye to loose pet hair on your floors. The powerful suction captures shedding hair mid-groom, ensuring a clean environment while keeping your pet comfortable. Get perfect trims without the usual mess. Use the clippers with or without the vacuum attachment to capture hair as you go, making cleanup a thing of the past. Designed with your pet's comfort in mind, it operates at a low noise level. This ensures a calm and stress-free grooming experience, even for the most sensitive animals. What we like. This is a true all-in-one grooming station, combining vacuuming, drying, and clipping functions into a single unit. The integrated dryer with 7 temperature settings allows for a complete grooming process at home. If you want to simplify your pet care routine and avoid multiple devices, this 3-in-1 solution is perfect for achieving a professionally groomed look for your pet. What people say. The vacuum is very quiet and my dog doesn't seem to mind it at all. It has multiple attachments that work well for different grooming tasks. The suction power is great for picking up loose fur and dander. Number 1. PG50 Plus Dog Grooming Vacuum and Kit. Introducing the PG50 Plus, your all-in-one solution for pet grooming. Keep your furry friend looking and feeling their best while maintaining a spotless home. With a powerful 11,000 pascals suction, it effectively captures loose hair and dander during grooming. This ensures a comfortable experience for your pet, minimizing mess. This kit includes 7 essential grooming tools, from clippers to nail grinders. It's designed to handle all your pet's grooming needs with ease. The generous 2.5L dust cup collects all the shed hair, making cleanup simple. You can groom your pet without worrying about constant emptying. Whether you have a small dog or a large one, this grooming vacuum is perfect for managing shedding. Enjoy a cleaner home and a happier pet. Make grooming a breeze with this comprehensive kit. It's designed to save you time and effort, both during grooming and after. What we like. With a substantial 2.5L dust cup, this vacuum minimizes the need for frequent emptying during grooming sessions. Its 11,000 pascals suction power effectively captures loose hair, and it comes with 7 versatile grooming tools. If you have a larger pet or groom frequently and prefer fewer interruptions, this model's large capacity and strong suction make it an excellent choice. What people say. It is very quiet and my dog does not mind it at all. The vacuum is very powerful and picks up all the loose hair. The grooming tools are easy to use and effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.